Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back again with this chapter, Mowgli in Trouble. Myself, Navneet Kaur. Now, we are going to start with the second part of the story. Open page number 7 of your book. So, here on page number 7, it is explained that now the situation of Cold Liar is explained here, the type of place it is. Now, Cold Liars was an old deserted city lost and buried in the jungle. Bandalog believe it is the safest place for them in jungle to hide themselves as well as to kept Mowgli as a prisoner there. Bagheera told Balu to follow him as he could cover this journey in a half night. Because Bagheera is fast in running as compared to Bhalu. Ka also follow him to teach Bandalog a lesson. Here in Cold Liars, Bandalog start celebrating their win. They are celebrating, all of them. Joined their hands, danced on foolish songs. For them, to capture Mowgli was a milestone in the history of Bandalog. They think that they have done a great job by kidnapping Mowgli. They are very happy. All are enjoying foolishly. So one of the monkeys said to Mowgli to teach them skills to protect themselves from cold and rain. As in first video, we have understand that thing that the Bandalog want Mowgli to be their part, to be in their group, so that they will learn the things, new things from Mowgli. So now Mowgli is with them. So one monkey said to Mowgli to teach them the skills to protect themselves from cold and rain. Mowgli starts to teach them, and some of them also try to copy him. But soon they lost their interest and start foolishness with each other. Do you know, kids, monkeys are famous for what? Yes, for their copying act and foolishness acts. As they were screeched and made mischief, and all are doing foolish things, Bagheera and Ka reached the Cold Liars. They both planned their attacking positions. Ka attacked from west wall and Bagheera from terrace where Bandalog kept Mowgli. In dark, Bagheera's light feet hit the terrace. As the monkeys saw him, they start to fight back, thinking that Bagheera is alone. Monkeys start to fight with Bagheera. They think that he is alone. Now page number 8. Bandalog dragged Mowgli away in another room. Both Bagheera and Mowgli needed help as they trapped by Bandalog. Suddenly Balu reached there and fiercely attacked monkeys that had surrounded Bagheera. Meanwhile, 4-5 feet long giant python, who can even knock a man down, attacked the monkeys from the other side, like you see in the video. His just first strikes captured the monkeys and they ran away shouting, Ka, Ka, run, run, let us go, there is a Ka. They feel very afraid from the Ka. Bhalu and Bagheera freed Mowgli from the other room on the exact that time. Mowgli then asked for their well-being. Then Mowgli asked from Bhalu and Bagheera how are they. Now, page number 9. Mowgli then jumped on Bagheera's back to return back to home. He slept so deeply on his back that he didn't wake up even when they all reached home cave, as he felt very tired, exhausted. So he immediately slept when he sat on the back of Bagheera. So this is the story of Mowgli I hope you will understand it properly. Then I'm going to tell you one thing more. Word meanings on all pages you have to write on your notebook and learn and understand. Thank you. Thank you.